Today, I will give an overview of hospital management. This is part of my series of lectures on hospital management. So, how to go about hospital management? What should be included in lectures in hospital management? So, let us see. Initially, we plan a hospital, then we design a hospital. And proper hospital designing is very important for future hospital functioning and hospital maintenance. Hospital maintenance includes maintenance of building, equipments, and common manpower. Manpowers of specific departments is managed by the head of departments. So hospital need hospital maintenance. It needs supervision of hospital functioning, and it needs hospital management other than the hospital functioning. So there are certain hospital management activities which are not related to any specific department. And these common activities include prevention of hospital acquired infections, disaster management, management of vector-borne disease in specified geographical areas where there is prevalence of vector-borne diseases, then management and supervision of engineering projects and routine engineering works, then legal aspects of hospital, then mortality meeting and management review meetings are other managerial aspects of hospital management. Hospital maintenance, as we have seen, include maintenance of building, maintenance of equipment, and management of common manpower, which include interns, which are posted in various departments of the hospital, junior residents, senior residents, which are posted in various departments of the hospital, and general duty medical officers. Then hospital functioning include specific departments, which are include routine departments and super specialized departments. It includes supporting departments as well as support services. The support services can be outsourced. This is the difference between support department and support services. Let us see the hospital functioning in detail. So routine departments of the hospital include dental department, dermatology department, ENT department, general surgery department, obs gynae department, ophthalmology, orthopedics department, anesthesia, ICU and OT department, and pediatrics, rehabilitation and physiotherapy department. So these are various departments of a district level or a tertiary level hospital. And then there are certain super specialty departments of medical colleges and tertiary care hospitals with super specialty departments. And these super specialty departments include respiratory medicine, cardiology, CTVS, cardiothoracic vascular surgery, and CCU. It is noteworthy that the ICU in this department list and CCU in this super specialty list are critical care units of the hospital. Then other super specialty departments include urology, nephrology, GI surgery, gastroenterology, psychiatry, and neurology. Then there are certain supporting departments which include blood bank. Then a separate section of the hospital which is very important is nursing section, and it is supervised by nursing superintendent. Then the other supporting department include clinical laboratory, which include pathology, biochemistry, microbiology, pharmacy. Pharmacy is a very important aspect of hospital, and radiology services. Then there are certain common sections which include emergency department, OPD section. Under OPD section, there are OPDs of these various departments and super specialty departments. Then inpatient services will include wards, and wards are of these various departments and super specialty departments. They are also managed by heads of these respective departments. Then there are support services, which include CSSD, that is sterile supply, then dietary services, housekeeping services, and safety and security services. It is important that unlike the support department, the support services, they can be outsourced. So in my further lectures on hospital management, I will cover each of these departments and sections and services, how to manage these from the management point of view or from the point of view of medical superintendent and additional medical superintendent point of view. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.